Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make beef gravy only way. Start by collecting beef drippings, 2 cups beef stock, 2 tablespoons flour, salt, pepper, and a whisk. Keep the pan warm. Whisk flour into warm drippings to form a roux, then slowly pour in stock while stirring constantly. Simmer until thickened to your liking, adjust seasoning, and strain for a silky finish. Serve hot over roast or mashed potatoes. Gather your ingredients and tools before you heat the pan to keep the process smooth and efficient. Start with warm drippings and room temperature stock to avoid shock that creates lumps. Whisk the flour into drippings off heat to cook slightly, then return to low heat. Add stock gradually while whisking vigorously until fully incorporated. Simmer gently until the gravy coats a spoon, then season and strain for a perfect texture. Heat the pan gently and focus on building flavor step by step for a reliable result every time. Create a roux with flour and drippings until it smells toasted and golden, then thin it with warm stock in a slow, steady stream while whisking. Maintain a gentle simmer to allow the gravy to thicken without scorching. Finish by adjusting salt and pepper, strain for silkiness, and serve while piping hot for best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.